हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तर तुम्ही अद्याप या शैक्षणिक चळवळीचे सन्माननीय सदस्य झाले नसाल तर आता सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवनवीन व्हिडिओची नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. तर आज आपण महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 7 हिस्ट्री चॅप्टर 7 द ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन्स ऑफ द स्वराज हा जो चॅप्टर आहे याचे टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स आणि आन्सर्स घेणार आहोत. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, कॅन यू टेल. फर्स्ट आहे त्यात काउन्सिल विथ 8 डिपार्टमेंट्स. आन्सर अष्टप्रधान मंडळ. सेकंड, बहिराज नाईक वॉज द हेड ऑफ दिस डिपार्टमेंट. इंटेलिजन्स डिपार्टमेंट. द सी फोर्ट बिल्ट बाय महाराज नियर मालवण. आन्सर इज सिंधुदुर्ग. 4, he looked after the war materials on the fort. Answer, the Karkhanis. Next, our next question is question number 2. Write about it in your words. First, Shivaji Maharaj's policy regarding agriculture. Answer, agriculture was the backbone of the village or rural economy. Shivaji Maharaj paid attention to the welfare of the peasants. The officers were warned not to collect more revenue than the fixed amount. Peasants were encouraged to bring more land under the cultivation. Special concessions was granted if there was famine floods or if any army of the enemy had devastated the area. Bullocks, plows and good seeds were provided to the peasants. Next is Shivaji Maharaj, a ruler concerned about the welfare of his subjects. Answer is, Shivaji Maharaj had an excellent agricultural policy like fixed revenue. He paid attention to the welfare of the peasants. Concessions to the farmers who had crop failure due to the floods, famine, etc. He provided bullocks, plows and good seeds to the farmers. He increased trade so that kingdom could prosper. He protected industries, example the salt industry in the Konkan. Salt imported from the Portuguese territory would then cost more, so he protected the salt industry in Konkan. Hence, the above stories reveal that Shivaji Maharaj was concerned about the welfare of his subjects. Our next question is question number 3. Give the reasons. First, Shivaji Maharaj appointed a council of 8 ministers. Answer is, Shivaji Maharaj divided the administration into 8 different departments. For the convenience of the administration, Shivaji Maharaj appointed a council of 8 ministers called as Ashtapradhan Mandal. Next question is, Shivaji Maharaj raised a navy. Our answer is, the enemies on the west coast of India created obstacles in the work of expansion of the Swaraj. It was necessary to curb their activities and to protect the west coast. Shivaji Maharaj also realized that the one who has a navy controls the sea. Hence, Shivaji Maharaj raised a navy. Our last question is question number 4. Complete the chart. You can see the question number 4th first question in your textbook. The answer is military organization. There are 2 types, infantry and cavalry. Okay, in infantry there are 2 subparts, havaldar and jumledar. Cavalry there are 2 subparts, शिलेदार्स and brigades. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण येथे 7th स्टँडर्डचं चॅप्टर नंबर 7 ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन्स ऑफ द स्वराज याचे टेक्स्टबुकचे क्वेश्चन्स आणि आन्सर सॉल्व करून घेतलेले आहेत. तर पुढील चॅप्टरचे तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन आन्सर हे मिळून जातील महाराष्ट्र मीडिया या यूट्यूब चॅनलवर. तोपर्यंत नवनवीन व्हिडिओज बघत चला आणि चॅनलला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू सो मच. कीप वॉचिंग.